What's up, guys? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2022 INFINITI Q60 Red Sport 400. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, made into a 7-speed automatic transmission. So the Q60 Red Sport is a very, very nice car. Really uncommon car too. Very beautiful coupe. And these are very, very popular used cars. Anytime these are in stock, they sell within like 10 days. Really popular because they're really hard to find. Q50 and Q60 Red Sports are great pre-owned vehicles, and they're very popular pre-owned vehicles. And also on my channel, for whatever reason, Q50 and Q60 Red Sport videos always end up being popular. So anytime I can get my hands on one, I try to make a video on it. I haven't driven a Q60 Red Sport in a minute. I think I made a video on a 21 model like a year and a half ago or something. This will be the second Q60 Red Sport video on the channel. It's a shame that INFINITI went away with the Q60. It wasn't around, like the Q60 Red Sport was only sold for a couple of years. I think 2022 was the last model year, like this one. This is one of the best color combos on this one. Slate gray exterior with monocle red interior. Very beautiful color. But this is just such an awesome car. I love the way they look. I love the way they drive. Again, very uncommon. I don't even remember last time I saw a Q60 Red Sport on the road. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Interior is really nice. Seats are really comfortable. You have the Bose Performance Series sound system. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera. Paddle shifters behind the wheel. You also have nice red stitching on this car. You have a sunroof on this car too. Here's the center console. Like an example like this would be a great car. This one's a 2022 with like 60,000 miles and it's certified pre-owned, so it's a very rare car considering the fact that it's a CPO Q60 Red Sport being sold at an INFINITI dealership at Grubbs Infinity. Just make sure everything's unlocked. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, slate gray is a wonderful shade of gray. It's like a bluish gray color. Looks amazing. I love the wheels on the Q60 Red Sport. The wheels on this look better than the one on the Q50 Red Sport. You have red, I believe they're Brembos on this car. Red INFINITI performance calipers. Very nice front end. I like the black grille. Headlights look amazing. It's just a really good looking coupe. Like INFINITI nailed the design on this car. It's just very attractive. Nice lines. The doors are huge though. It's kind of hard to get in and out of tight parking spots because the doors are massive. And it's also lots of legroom, of course. You also have rear seats, but it'd be kind of hard to fit a adult back there. Maybe a small adult or children, but it's really hard to fit a full-size adult who's like tall on the taller side back there. I don't think, there's no way I could fit back there. And also the back of the car just looks amazing too. Like this looks a lot better than the Q50 Red Sport to me, because the Q50 Red Sport, you know, it just kind of blends in, but the Q60 Red Sport stands out a lot more with the wheels and the fact that it's a coupe and everything like that. You also have dual outlet exhaust on this vehicle. Oh, man, it looks good. Such a good looking car. And most people don't know how fun these Q60 Red Sports are to drive. Here's a trunk. Actually, the space is not bad at all for a coupe. I like that. Nice solid thud when you close the trunk. Feels well built and robust. I love the carbon interior trim, carbon fiber trim. I do wish it had a wireless charging tray though. It's a bummer it doesn't. And the cup holders are kind of shallow. It's kind of hard to really put any bigger drinks in there. You have your phone, it's kind of going to flop around the whole time. Like I don't even want to put my phone in there because it's kind of small. And obviously the Q60 Red Sport will have Sport Plus, which we're going to drive in. These vehicles can come in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. I believe this one's rear-wheel drive, because it will say all-wheel drive on the back. Either way, whether you get a rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, it's fun. But yeah, like I always say it in my videos, Q50s and Q60s, doesn't even have to be a Red Sport, just regular ones are really fun to drive because they have 300 horsepower. Not many sedans these days have 300 horsepower, let alone 400 on these 400 Red Sport models. They're really fun to drive. Like great acceleration. I think it does 0 to 60 in like 4.5 seconds. So the thing is, like, these are great pre-owned cars, because while they're pretty expensive brand new, like a Red Sport is like in the $60,000 range or 65,000 or something like that, but a pre-owned model which is in the low 40s or high 30s, that's such a good bargain. Like, and if you like having unique cars like this will be a very unique car. Like, I don't even remember the last time I saw one of these on the road, and people love them. Like, everyone, you know, I was just driving this around earlier today, and then people were like, wow, that's a good looking car, you know, just wondering what it was. They're like, that looks unique, especially if you get a slate gray one. Look how fast this car is. It's so fun. Like, it just rockets off the line, and the engine sounds really good. Fast shifting transmission. Like, that is nice. These are just so slept on. They're so slept on. Like, I wish more people knew about how fun these are, or even knew what this was. Most people don't even know this car exists. So fun. I would love driving this car around every day. And this has, like, you know, a really nice interior. It has all the tech that you really need with Apple CarPlay and all that. And, you know, the dual screen setup is not that bad. You know, some people complain about it, but I personally don't see it as much of a problem, because it gives you a lot of good stuff. But yeah, like, it's just so nice to drive this car. Feels stable, handling's good, steering feels great, acceleration's fantastic. Put your foot down and it revs so high. Sounds good too. Visibility's a little tough though. It is a coupe with giant doors, so it's kind of hard to see out of this thing. Not from the rear, but from the blind spots, it's really hard to see. And it has heated seats, but not ventilated. I wish it had ventilated. That would be nice, considering when the summertime, it gets real hot in Texas. But the AC feels great. It's ice cold. Like, I'm gonna keep saying it, but the value for the money for this car is just so good. It's such a good pre-owned car. Like, I would buy this all day, and I'd be very excited to drive it every night. I'd be proud to drive around in this car because it's just awesome. It's just an awesome car, simply put. Brakes work well too. Yeah, I would 100% take this over a Q50 Red Sport. I think it handles better, looks better, and it's just much cooler overall. But they're both nice cars. But anyways, we are now back at Grubbs Infiniti, so gotta wrap up today's video. See that backup camera in action. Resolution is okay, it's not the best, but it gets the job done. That's all you really need, right? But overall, this 2022 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400 is an awesome car to drive. Very, very fun. Looks amazing too. And again, great pre-owned car to have. But thanks for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own certified pre-owned Infiniti like this one.